I don't tell you, say I don't want wear again. So you are strictly on what? On your own.
My ear now don't fool. That they talk to me, just like they talk to me from heaven. So they might call. Now all the talk they happen. My wife don't say she no go wear again. So but person got to wear. As the man of the house and the paddy part of the paddy.
You have to take charge.
I have to take charge. You understand?
Yes.
So I must take all the blame upon me. I must put the blame on me. I must put the blame on me.
I didn't like this thing. I don't like it. See how dark I look.
No, you are getting dark now.
No, I'm not dark.
No,
it's not dark like you. People should bright me.
No, it's not bright you.
Are you not seeing me now like this? Am I dark like this?
Now like this your heart be now.
No, stop it. Don't do that. See,
you have a dark heart
I don't
now.
like it. I'm not dark.
Like this thing, what's wrong with you? You are a dark girl. If they come out,
yes.
Last time when you come out cloth, maybe you know black like this.
No. Have some skin.
Your skin.
Have you seen my skin?
Anyway, Sha, now one picture I see where my wife wear bikini. I see where I come out cloth. Not be say I come and see things because before brother, you know how they watch now. Go say, ha! My wife!
It's over.
Your escapades.
Yeah, it's over.
It's over. My wife comes to say, ha! Oh, break my heart.
Say you love me again.
You don't want to get negative story. I miss everybody yesterday.
Lord, where you go?
My sister, I got to come and calm down. You understand?
I know.
The time you go leave, only me day here, only me and
You were
Mary.
tired.
I can't tire. So it don't knock me. Boom.
So you know they
somewhere.
even lie. You tired.
I tire. So who you come carry come?
It was my bros, Baba K.
Baba K. Okay, no. You don't fish it. You don't fish it. Baba K. You don't fish it on me with Baba K.
No, I can't.
No.
But I talk him yesterday. Say for the first time I don't really miss you like that.
No, Baba K na correct guy now. He said he try for his own this thing, but he don't really miss me.
You know, say you
No.
Make I talk this thing.
Don't explain anything.
You got no be explanation of the truth.
Waiting.
You guys make the person where they feel comfortable. You guys make them feel good. So when I say I don't miss you,
So also
you
make
go feel good.
Now this is the way you talk now. Now just woman scope.
No, not be woman scope.
Now woman scope.
I mean, you don't notice say my countenance up as I see you this morning.
I don't know how your countenance be yesterday. Whether it down.
No, the countenance they fluctuate.
They fluctuate. Why are you a fluorescent?
No, it's the effect you have on me. You have that effect on guests naturally. You understand?
You know,
So,
it's just
all these people they talk, we still never greet them, you know.
we did our first but you know say we never see. So I'm not there. I'm back again. You know, stamina. Just one day break, but very soon me I will take my own baffle. Run.
Why they threaten me?
Run. No, make I threaten you
Why
now.
they threaten?
So you said go do. You know only. You know,
I feel threatened.
I do Mary Abi. You go do Joseph.
Michael.
You go bring Joseph. You mean Michael? So no.
Oh Lord, new month. Today na waiting. Today na second, Abi.
Second
Day for inside the month of September. You see, Ember period.
Happy new month. September number 9. Great
What's
things are
happening in September number 9?
So September, you see some days from now, September 11. You don't know September 11?
I know September 11, but what will be September 9?
911 now. 9/11 now.
I know. But why you call her September 9?
September 9 now, 2 days to be September 11.
That 11, 9 where you just join everything. Because you know, say that 9 when you talk, you don't really get meaning. No. So you just join everything to go to Ogbolo yourself.
No, I'm not saying September is the 9th month in a year. So when I say September, I'm not saying September 9, I'm saying the 9th month. September 9th.
Who be this guy now? Who be this now?
September 9th.
Who be this now?
Okay, sorry.
I don't tire.
Nah, slip of thought. You understand me now? All right. So now welcome to Paddy Show. September 9. Sorry.
You see your life. More go break. More make this guy for reboot. More just go break.
This one I need a break for my life. I need
he
break.
Needs to reboot.
Break, oh. I need break, oh.
Give us Yandy Yan.
Yandy Yan, I beg.
Just give us Yandy Yan.
My heart shock Steph when the team. It just reminds me of two political parties. Now that I leave the gist.
Now me the talk story.
Now you the talk story.
Now because you have a born, I make you feel like saying that you want to talk less.
That me the
Oh Oh God, I do my thing my way. Oh, I see a sister. Yeah, that's called ginger.
Imagine Olamide when you don't old, they're going to tell the children, you know what this song I sing?
Do you know? Daddy, which song did you come and sing?
Why be in there? Me, I think Shakiti Bo.
Daddy, sing it.
Yeah, Wobe. You do Wobe. Yeah, you do Wobe. Yeah, Wobe. Yeah, Wobe. Oh boy, for me. Oh boy,
Daddy, do not beat.
Oh, you get the money.
Oh, Bola, you play too much. You can think stupid things.
All right, quickly.
All right, so back in the
back in the days. Hey, that's what you go do now. Rats go fall out.
All right, back in the days, for those of now where they watch wrestling in the 80s, una remember this wrestler, Superfly Sanuka.
Superfly Sanuka.
Yeah, Sanuka Superfly, professional wrestler.
It's a big jump. You fly or
you understand?
Yes.
Now, 3 decades ago, that's about 32 years ago, Naim then find a girlfriend of 23 years old. That year. You understand? Nancy Argentino, they find her dead.
Wow.
And when the autopsy come out this year, my brother,
32 years later.
Go. Naim that one happened.
So 32 years later.
They suspend her, but they never convict them. They don't even carry the case go court. But the family come, they worry. 32 years later, Naim autopsy come out, say she get plenty brain injuries from hitting her head to a stationary point. Like say person carry her head, come they hit her
one same place.
Now, he say he don't talk him before. Say he they innocent, say because that incident don't ruin in life, ruin in career. Now, this man who they talk about is about 72 years old.
Now.
He's about 72 years old now. Now they don't convict him for first-degree murder.
Hey.
Make I even see how they take convict him. They don't convict him now for third-degree murder and involuntary manslaughter.
Hey.
So as he be now, we be 72 years old now, they don't carry and go prison.
Yeah.
At 72. They can put a bail of $1 million.
Finish. You say he go see get money so.
You know, so because that incident's been ruining career well that year.
That means Owu go don dey blow am now.
So but 32 years ago. Now they can't put him for prison when he was 72 years old. So that means it happened when he was 40.
Oh yes. That is justice. Justice.
But they never to
218.
He's saying they're innocent. You know, so according to this gist, they don't tell us whether they actually find them guilty or not. You just say they don't convict.
But they don't give bail money now. That means not put as they say, oh yeah, guy enter behind bars. If bail money don't show, that means you don't enter
prison. Not saying anything. Don't carry and go prison.
So that means if you say innocent until proven, guilty until proven innocent. You understand?
But if you say that bail serve now because of his age,
that be the bail. Forget it. There are people that enter prison at 90. Oh, you know they look at like they do for some other countries. Forget their own justice. If you like, 40 years later, if you like die, the pick on your grave, say you are guilty, and in wherever you did now, you will face your justice and your judgment. Now, so their own thing they be. You understand? We say for this side, we say we learn that kind of thing too, and we go get them right. You understand me now? No, not shut up anything. No, their own way. You know what it be? 32 years later, they still judge the case. Say, Oga, you are guilty. Not be joke now. I clap for them. They're too much. You understand? That is justice. Justice.
Ogolo, you said one thing in 10 different ways.
So that you go sink now.
Ogolo, you are now saying tautology.
Tautology?
Yes.
No, not tautology.
You are repeating one thing.
No, now.
You've said justice like 10 times.
Justice. No, that's justice. You don't know how to Rick maintain they talk. They will repeat something. And so they tell you, you have to go and see, you want to be rich?
Well, shut up.
Come on, get out of here.
It's okay.
See, if you want to be...
Talk your story.
What is tautology?
What?
Well,
I don't do show again. Leave me alone.
tell me, what is tautology?
Tautology is the repetition of one word over and over and over and over.
That's
and over
the
and over.
repetition.
Oh, God.
Tautology. Tautology, now when you speak the wrong English.
Why are you embarrassing yourself? Tautology is when you make a sentence and you continue with the make different sentences to mean one thing. For example,
yes.
I am the first person that used to carry first in my class first. Tautology.
You get out, Sha, get out.
You don't know.
I know. I see the same definition. What definition?
Look at you with all your professor glass. You still know sabi tautology.
You think they do this one?
Talk your story.
Now professor glass are they wear? What's wrong with you? This is design.
Look at you, old version of Olamide, 72 years old, and you're Mawobe.
Many of these songs I need to teach speciality. What do you get it?
Shakiti Papa.
Okay, now let's say most of the time I would not talk this kind of story in different ways, different times, different. This kind of particular story I want to talk now don't come in different ways. Some don't die put, some nearly die put. This one now, they nearly die put. You hear that noise what they make for sound? This one now they say they want to do adventure. As they drive. They can't
Baby,
drive.
Baby, let's do it now.
No.
Baby,
Yes.
I want to be with you now.
Oh, wow.
Baby,
Seriously?
this is so adventurous.
Wow.
Baby,
Now
let's
they
have this in the car.
Man, they can't drive near one lake. Pa. They all hang the motor there.
Baby, pull over.
Then they come out to the pull things. Pay. Before you know it, they jump. Make a lot to describe the whole scenario. Lastly, when they come, they do the whole torchlighting thing inside their motor. They don't know when they go press brake, hand come out. Bah!
And the car begin move.
Motor come, they move. They move. There's no signal. They feel say, wow, you know, oh, honey, the whole thing is, yeah, before you know it, they enter lake. Togo that, they enter water with their motor. Based on, say, too much, as they put that for you, say, carnal enthusiasm. Now they're about to enter lake.
The girl will say, baby, take it easy, guys. I'm not moving.
I'm not moving. You know, say because the woman goes down to say, oh, baby, you are, why are you moving like this?
You're moving too fast.
You are moving too fast. No, I'm
baby,
not moving.
I'm not moving.
I'm not moving.
Oh, my God, is the car moving?
Oh, Lord. Where are we going? Inside lake, straight. Now, God saved them. Say, their eye come clear. Now, they use window, they bust out, come outside naked. But then later police come, they can't do the whole thing, they can't carry crane. 3 hours later, they can't carry the motor come outside. But they can't say, thank God, so now shock here. They'll go church now. Go say, thank God, while we were doing things in the motor, the devil came and pressed our brake down. And I can't come and go inside the lake. And then we nearly died. But God, in his infinite mercy, God said, no, we cannot die. And we come out now. Look at us, men and brethren, we are here. And we are thanking God for our life. Amen? Amen.
When we were having carnal knowledge.
Carnal enthusiasm.
We not developed it in carnal enthusiasm. That led us into the lake.
Carnal knowledge of each other.
Oh my God.
And Adam knew Eve.
Make we go.
Bible can take some things. And Adam knew Eve. That's why they take buck in the head. They say, Adam knew Eve. How are you? I now know you. Can I come back? Boom, boom. Break, please. We are coming back now on the Paddy Show. My Wild Balls, baby. Who's coming back now? I'm like, we'll go take some. Right, so when we look people the way you get talent, you understand? Which one you get?
Well, you want to know my talent?
I don't talk the one way they do.
You want to know my talent? Go come Bonham. You go refine them.
Yeah, and I'm refining things with that now.
Wow.
To just show you say the thing hot well.
Today I just ugly.
You?
Hey.
They happen sometimes. Now you get all your ugly day.
Not so, every time fine girl.
Yeah, so today now your ugly day.
Monday
too was your ugly day. If you just get ugly week,
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe as you did like this now, you're not supposed to come the hustle to come find because they don't buy the market
no,
now.
I don't need to, my brother.
People they do the hustle. No, you get the finding where you go day, where you go they do to maintain the market. You understand? But you get the finding where they also day to buy the market. They buy the market first.
No, that one. Don't leave
now
that.
You don't leave the hair. So now you're in the process of maintaining the market.
Maintenance.
Market maintenance.
It's called sanitation.
Exactly.
Joe. I'm too smart.
Oh,
I'm smart.
Now we. Not be I.
We are smart.
We are smart.
Yeah. All right. So for inside one place, for inside Methodist Church for Mafoluku. United Methodist Church for inside Mafoluku. I call them commode because even Punch carried the news and everything.
Yes.
This particular pastor for there come church to come preach for Sunday morning. Now them push come up for church. Carry your load, they go. Why? The man they sleep with their maid.
Boom.
In fact, the secretary will be saying they live for 3-bedroom flat for inside the church premises now. The secretary they live opposite the pastor house. In talk say he know when all of this thing happen. And he call the wife cousin where they stay with their way her name na Favor or so. I'm not really sure. Call her. You understand? In call him, tell her say your auntie husband will be our pastor. He they torchlight this maid. And the girl can't talk say true because even the maid they can't tell him every time where the man come meet and say, oh yeah, make we, you understand. Now yawa gas when the girl do come out belle, the thing can they complicated. The girl can't they shout for nights. You understand? So back and forth of the story.
Yes.
Back and forth of the story. All the church members now don't push. In fact, they won't beat them. Na DPO, police. Now you can settle
the whole
the matter.
Reverend James.
Yes, Reverend James Sunday.
No, Reverend James Sunday.
Now be the new pastor now.
And he talks to the community because now that church where they get hierarchy and they put new pastors for different churches. One be like Redeem, and so Redeem they do their own. But this one, the church members now can't go complain, give their pata maybe like a Geo. See this smally where you put for you, you don't the
misdo. And he talks every time they send the wife travel, he go say make your wife travel so that he go feel
the la loaves, But anyway, who are we to trust these days? Even if some men of God, they were supposed to be men of God, they do like say they be men of Bros D. You're not too pure for mind, but any which way, you say touch not my prophet. Ada. Hashtag Ada. Yes. Yeah. Hashtag Ada. Acquire the devil ability. You understand? I mean the hashtag Ada. But anyway, pastoral is no more pastor as far as I'm concerned. No be pastor again. But only God can forgive. Only God can show mercy. So who are we to judge? Who are we to judge? He who has not committed sin.
Cast the first stone.
So now we say we all talk with that. Even though I know be good thing, but more leave for them. All right. So quickly, my own story. Palestine, this lake issue. That's more my story this morning. Lake. One old man go for fishing. As he say, make he kuku dey fishing from nowhere in truck where he carry. Can they also slide go lake too? Just like the first story. As Palace truck can they go near water side, go near water. But it you can't enter the water finally, bam. As he enter water, he say on the good day people go shout, hey, help! Palace lock up.
80 years old.
80 years old man. He sit down there, bring out his cigar.
They smoke.
They smoke him. So
if I die, for that kuku don't die well.
Now make I die well. Make I die with my cigar for my hand.
Oh,
make I
Lord,
chill.
God, people don't
One
die
farmer
for this
come there by the side. He come dey follow the farmer the gist. Hey, how far now? Over how far? How walk? I think you do all right. Now die so. Anyway, if you see my family and children, tell them say I just die well. You understand? But luckily, ambulance can't come. They can't they can't bring up a pallet. Come outside. They put him for inside ambulance. Nothing do him. He no wound. He no injure. Could no catch him. But they can't get come on the cloth. Make could no go catch him for road.
Eventually.
Man, they very, very okay. You understand? Let's say when they for the ambulance, I see the smoke. No, don't save me. Pale.
People don't die for this world. The man just won't be like the man not say, okay, 80 years old. I don't try. If na leg go kill me, man just could die.
Exactly. So make I could die well. Maybe say if they see my corpse, I'll just hold my cigar like this. But anyway, we thank God for the man life. As he be saying no by even the couple the way they do their own touchlighting thing for inside their motor, they say no by at all. So we thank God for life and for the people that will bring Jesus can give today. Abi?
Yes.
Right. So any gist you get to gist on top the whole thing. Twixterust at Wazobia party at Wazobia
Paddy.
At Wazobia
Paddy.
At Wazobia.
Paddy.
At Wazobia.
Paddy.
At Wazobia.
Paddy.
At Wazobia.
Paddy.
Okay, so wrap this
you just
up.
they do.
They can't call them. Anyway, my cousin.
Yes, darling. Follow us on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy Paddy. Follow us on top Instagram at Mayowa Lambe and at Ogbolo. Follow the station, please, at Wazobia TV NG. Face us in the Facebook. We did there for you. Facebook/Wazobia TV Paddy Paddy. Anyone will you choose. And then on top YouTube for people in the diaspora's place. You can just watch all the episodes where you don't miss on top youtube.com/Wazobia Paddy Paddy.
All right, God bless everybody. We'll see you now tomorrow, okay? We love you, and keep being yourself and do a good work if you're there for office.
So, you know, I just say you don't give that. You just say it talks something to make sense.
I thought something make sense.
What's it talk?
Do a good work for those of you now there for office.
Those who don't come there for office, those who get their business, they sit down for house. Millions they roll.
Do a good work for your business. You understand me now?
As long as the money they pay, a boost, even your boo is got a boo.
If you're not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.